Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cinerai Lifestyle. Today I'll take you on a journey. But to where? Stay tuned and take a look with me. Hi there, right now we're at Narita Airport awaiting our Asiana flight back to Seoul Incheon Airport. Today's flight will be on a Boeing 777-200ER whole register 7739. This aircraft was delivered to Asiana back in December 2005, making it a little less than 19 years old. Narita International Airport is Tokyo's second international airport. Terminal 1 is a hub for ANA and handles all Star Alliance flights such as Asiana, United, and EVA. Narita is located more than an hour away from Ginza. It will require more planes to get to compared to Haneda. Counter H handled our Asiana flight back to Seoul Incheon. Check-in was quick and efficient. In addition, Narita has a Star Alliance fast-track lane for Gold Plus members. In 2023, Narita handled almost 33 million passengers as compared to the 2019 high of 44 million people. Before boarding, we will head to the IASS Superior Lounge located near Gate 26. The IASS Superior and IASS Executive are the two priority pass lounges in Narita Airport. The space feels very Japanese with the light bamboo woodwork and white walls. It is a basic lounge that includes light refreshments, alcoholic beverages, and ample seating. The lounge isn't anything to write home about. We stayed for 30 minutes before boarding. As I mentioned earlier, Narita Airport Terminal 1 is a Star Alliance hub. That means if you're departing between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m., you will also have access to the United Lounge when flying on business class or higher. Today, we will be boarding from Gate 31. Today's flight will last for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Boarding began on time and started with special needs business class and tiered members. If you haven't already, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. I try to release videos once or twice a month. In addition, if you subscribe to my Patreon account, you can access my videos before anyone else. Here we are boarding HL 7739. Economy has 271 seats in a 3-3 configuration. Today I'm seated at seat 27K. Legroom wise, the economy pitch of 33 to 34 inches is average. The cabin features small IFE monitors measuring in at around 8 inches. In addition, the tray tables were still sturdy after all these years and includes a basic cup holder. Also, we have the safety pamphlet and in-flight magazines in the seat pouch in front of the seat. Lastly, we have earphones for the IFE. The IFE monitor is not touchscreen. Instead, you have to use the remote that is attached to the armrest next to your seat. I'm not gonna lie, the IFE was so old that it took around 10 minutes for it to boot up. For that, I'll give the IFE 2 out of 5 stars. I'm still quite surprised they still use HL 7739 for flights to Manila, Hong Kong, and Rome. Considering the age of the aircraft, the cabin was still very clean and the seats were still quite sturdy. Now let's take a quick look at the safety video. Unlike Korean Air, Asiana uses a very straightforward safety video. There is no K-pop or fancy graphics. I think this aircraft is ready to retire. And here we are taxiing to the runway. We're now about to take off, so here we go. After quite some time, I finally got the IFE to work. Meal service began 20 minutes into our flight. As the flight duration was less than 3 hours, we only had one option. The cold parts of the meal was placed in a white box, while the hot entree was in a separate container wrapped in foil. I was actually kinda surprised we got a hot entree instead of a cold sandwich. And here is the menu. Today's option was only Korean beef stir fry with rice and vegetables. I think the last time I got a similar meal was flying from JFK to Incheon 8 years ago. In addition, we have a little cup of water and utensils. Underneath that, we have gochujang sauce. And what I thought was jello was actually some sort of Japanese egg jelly thing. And for dessert, we have a Japanese croffle. I thought my meal was pretty bland, so that's when I added the gochujang sauce. Gochujang is a Korean condiment that is made out of dried red chili flakes. In general, it is of course spicy, sweet, salty, and a little bit nutty. Dinner ended with coffee and tea service. Before landing, let me show you the lavatory. Even though the lavatory was outdated, Asiana did a good job of keeping it clean. You have a basic sink area with hand lotion and basic toilet next to the mirror. Our aircraft would now descend into Incheon International Airport. Our flight was roughly 2 hours and 30 minutes. After landing, we were scheduled to disembark at gate 19. I'll give this flight 2.5 out of 5 stars. One of the biggest reasons is that even though this was a short international flight, alcohol was not served on board. For that, I could have chosen another airline or low-cost carrier. Although the food option was not too bad, I do not think I would have enjoyed it without the gochujang sauce. In addition, the IFE lagged for more than 10 minutes before starting up. I cannot help but wonder why this aircraft is used to fly to Rome when it is so outdated. I don't think I would honestly fly on Asiana on this route again. I hope you enjoyed my flight review. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. The remainder of this video is a small disembarking vlog. Have a great day.